In this lesson, we'll learn all about the reproductive system. Please open your Cambridge Science book, page 19, Unit 1, Lesson 1.3. The reproductive system. We'll explore how our bodies grow and change during puberty and how humans reproduce. In this video, we are going to learn the changes that happen during puberty, the parts of the reproductive system, how reproduction works, learning objectives. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to describe changes that happen during puberty, name the parts of the male and female reproductive system, understand what each part does, and don't forget, we'll have an assessment at the end to check your understanding. Now, let's talk about an important question. What is reproduction? Reproduction is how living things create new life. All humans go through a life cycle. Where are you now? Are you a child, a teenager, or an adult? Think about your family too. What stage are they in? Vocabulary words. Here are some important words we'll learn today. Reproduction, puberty, sperm, fertilization, hormones, menstruation. Let's learn what each word means. 1. Reproductive system, body parts that help make baby. 2. Puberty, the time when your body changes to become an adult. 3. Hormones, chemicals that cause body changes for sperm, the male cell needed to make a baby. 5. Ova, the female egg cell. 6. Fertilization, when sperm and egg join. Now let's move on to another important part of this lesson and talk about puberty. What is puberty? Puberty is when your body starts changing into an adult. These changes happen because of hormones. It usually starts between ages 11 and 14. Everyone goes through puberty, but not at the same time. Changes during puberty. Let's look at the different changes that happen during puberty. Changes in boys. First, shoulders get broader. Second, voice becomes deeper. Third, facial and body hair grows. Changes in girls. First, hips get wider. Second, breasts begin to develop. Third, hair grows under arms and in private areas. Now let's talk about the changes that happen in both boys and girls. First, they both grow taller and gain weight quickly. Second, they may get oily skin and pimples. Part 3. Changes in the reproductive system. Let's learn about changes in the reproductive system. First, the male reproductive system. What are the parts of the male reproductive system? 1. Penis allows sperm to leave the body. 2. Testes make sperm. 3. Scrotum holds and protects the testes. 3. Sperm ducts carry sperm from the testes. 4. Urethra carries sperm and urine out of the body. Do you know the parts of the female reproductive system? 1. Ovaries release eggs. 2. Fallopian tubes carry eggs to the uterus. 3. Uterus, where a baby can grow. These changes prepare the body for reproduction. Now we will have questions to check your understanding. Get ready. If you can't answer, don't worry. Just go back and watch the video again. Question 1. What is the main job of the reproductive system? Question 2. Which part in females releases the egg? Question 3. What is menstruation? Question 4. What is the male cell called? Question 5. Which organ in females is where a baby can grow? Question 6. What are the different changes in boys and girls during puberty, and what changes happen in both? Stop the video now and answer the question. Pause and review. Pause the video now and take your time to check your answers on this slide. Great job. If you got the answers right, give yourself a pat on the back. You're learning so well. Now, let's review what we have learned so far. Puberty causes many body changes. Boys and girls have different reproductive organs. The reproductive system helps humans have babies. Activity optional homework. Find a baby photo of yourself. Writes 3 to 5 changes you notice in your body. Now optional. Talk to a parent about their puberty experience. Thank you for watching. Keep growing, keep smiling, and enjoy every step of your life cycle, from childhood to the amazing you.